Let me turn it back to you for a second, David, to say,
Okay.
people who are watching this right now, how should they be like, let's you and I have a conversation about what people should be doing today to try to actually build a business online. What are your thoughts, man? Where do people start?
I mean, my number one recommendation is definitely you have to publish content online. Use social media or find a place where you're comfortable with, whether it's a blog, creating video content or podcast. You have to put yourself out there, put out content around your business, right? Whether you can do it on LinkedIn, Instagram, or Facebook, wherever it depends on who you're targeting. So if you do B2B, mostly B2B business, go on LinkedIn. If you do B2C, business to consumer, Instagram is a great place. So publish content, create content around your product or service, and then reach out to people, your target audience, who are most likely going to buy your product or service, build connections, just like what you mentioned earlier. Reach out to them, see if whether or not you can help them. To build a genuine connection. Don't be that guy where the first message you send out is, well, do you want to buy my product? I have this amazing offer. That's like, people hate that. Like, I get tons
Yeah.
of those messages. People just send me a DM and be like, hey, can I do this for you? Can I sell you this thing? I just don't respond to those. Like, build a genuine connection, right? That's what I
Yeah.
would recommend people do. Get online, create content, let people know what you're about, what you have to offer, and then if you can actually solve their problems, they will reach out to you. They will buy your product or service without you even asking for it.